Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the best way to get King of Fighters running smoothly on your laptop. The first step is to make sure your computer has enough power to handle the game, checking its minimum system requirements. Then, you'll need to get the game itself, either by purchasing an official PC version or by setting up an emulation program with the correct game files. Once you have these ready, we can move on to the next crucial steps. Now that you're ready, let's talk about where to find your King of Fighters experience. You have two main paths. Either grab an official PC release from a digital store, which offers a straightforward setup, or delve into emulation for those beloved classic titles. If you choose emulation, remember to acquire your game files responsibly and always double-check their origin to keep your system safe and sound. This choice sets the stage for your fighting journey. With your game installed, it's time to fine-tune your setup for the best experience. Dive into the game or emulator settings to adjust video and audio, aiming for smooth performance without any hitches. Crucially, you'll want to map your controls. Whether you prefer using your keyboard or connecting a dedicated gamepad, ensure every button feels just right. Don't forget to check for input lag options. Minimizing this will make your moves feel incredibly responsive. Finally, with everything configured, it's time to jump into the action and master King of Fighters. Start by spending some quality time in training mode, perfecting your character's special moves and intricate combo sequences. Once you feel confident, challenge the computer or go head-to-head with other players to test your skills. Remember to explore different character matchups and develop unique strategies. This will significantly deepen your understanding and enjoyment of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.